How to kill bed bugs with household items. Getting rid of bedbugs with a professional exterminator is the best choice. They have the expertise, proper tools and equipment to kill bedbugs. But they are expensive, and for financial reasons, many of us don't like to spend more money on this. Most people search for inexpensive DIY methods that are easy to apply and feel very happy if they find a way to use the materials already they have in the house. Household items are the perfect and natural way to eliminate bedbugs infestation, without using any harmful chemicals. Remember, several household items are recommended, but some of them are better than others, work efficiently, and easier to apply. Each one has advantages and disadvantages as well. Take a closer look at the most popular items that can be used for killing bedbugs effectively. Number 1. Rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol can kill bedbugs on contact and evaporates immediately, which is considered to be safe to use at home. 91% rubbing alcohol is very popular to use for killing bedbugs. Alcohol is diluted in water and 99% concentration of alcohol can kill only up to 60% of adult bedbugs. It's extremely multi-purpose, but not long-lasting and not capable to kill eggs. If you use rubbing alcohol, you have to apply another method to kill the rest 40% of bedbugs. So, rubbing alcohol is useful if it's used with the combination of other methods of killing bedbugs. A bedbug killer spray can be used everywhere, including cracks and crevices, and capable to kill 100% of bedbugs and their eggs. Number 2. Essential oils. A combination of essential oils is a very simple and old method for killing bedbugs, but still, now it's very popular. Clover oil, cedarwood, lavender, mint oil, neem oil, etc. are natural and chemical-free. It's true that these oil-based products or mixtures can kill bedbugs, but bedbug killer spray works better than oil. Moreover, pesticide sprays are strongly regulated by EPA to ensure that they are safe for health. Essential oils are useful, but not that much what they are telling. The Federal Trade Commission charged multiple oil-based companies for their deceptive advertising. Number 3. Double-sided tape and Vaseline. Double-sided tape and Vaseline can be applied to the legs of the bed. This can stop bedbugs from climbing up your bed. But customers are reporting that this solution simply doesn't work. So, we recommend an enhanced version of this method, which is called Climp-Up Insect Interceptors. Here talcum is used instead of tape or Vaseline. Interceptors are too polished and smooth, which makes bedbugs unable to climb up, and thus it works effectively. Number 4. Clothes iron. Bedbugs can't survive at the temperature above 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So, heat treatment is better than all other methods and proven to be effective. Hairdryer, steamer, room heater, or even clothes iron works fine if you can raise the temperature above 120 degrees. Usually, professional exterminators use heat treatment with a combination of other methods to kill bedbugs. Nowadays, specially designed bedbugs dryer and room heaters are available to kill bedbugs from big items like sofa, mattress, bed, box spring, furniture, etc. Before applying heat treatment, please remove all heat-sensitive items that can be damaged by overheat. Number 5. Hair dryer. A hairdryer that can generate temperature above 120 degrees Fahrenheit and stay for 30 minutes can kill bedbugs effectively. If you don't have one, then try with a specially designed steamer or bedbugs dryer. These are very useful to kill bedbugs from hiding places like crack and crevices. A portable bedbug heater like Zapbug Oven or Thermal Strike Ranger is very popular and effective for treating mattresses, furniture, suitcase, luggage, etc. No single method can kill bedbugs effectively. So, you need to apply multiple methods of treatment. Even professional exterminators are also tried with several options. They commonly use heat treatment with professional graded other items. Some companies use a trained dog for detecting bedbugs infestation. That's all about how to kill bedbugs with household items. Thanks for staying with us. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. For more information, please visit our website fleabitesinfo.org.